Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to place an order on Office Depot. If you don't have an Office Depot account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper left side of the screen. In this video, I'm going to buy a product, so I clicked on Products. But if you're going to avail a service, click on Services. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, select the category of the product or service you wish to avail. Once you've found the item you wish to buy, enter its quantity on the field provided. Then click on Add to Cart. If you want to add more items, follow the previous steps. Once done, click on Continue to Cart. Review the order summary. If it looks good, click on Checkout. Now, choose a payment method and delivery date. Also, review the billing information. You could also apply for a reward membership. You will also see an option from which you could redeem a gift card, apply a coupon, or add additional information. After that, click on Continue. Lastly, review the order summary. If everything looks good, click on Place Order. That's how you place an order on Office Depot. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.